Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mist right here, and basically what this is the air compression leg massager, and it's from this brand right here. So first thing, I'm actually take out the wrapper to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you take out the wrapper, this is basically what the product looks like here. So you can see on the side right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So first thing, I'm actually open the package to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So they do provide us instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And the other side right here, they probably got the accessory. That might be a bag, but let's take it out. Alright, so they do probably get a small little bag that you can use to hold the product inside if you guys want to. And definitely right here, we do have the user manual. And right underneath that, you can see we do have everything else. So take everything out. So right here, we do have a small little box, but let's open it up first. So inside the small little box, you can see the probably got the cable you guys can plug in to actually activate the product. Right here, we have the remote control. So let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you can see we do have an on and off button, a different mode button, so the sequence or hold, and they do have the option for you guys to control the air pressure on here as well. And at the bottom right here, we do have the brand logo. And if you guys turn to the bottom right here, that is basically where you plug in the cable to actually activate the product. And then for other two slots right here, you guys want to plug in the actual leg massager. And then the last thing that's inside the package right here is the actual leg massager. So let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. If you guys turn the back part right here, you can see this is basically where the cable is. And they do label L and R, so that way you guys know which side is which. And definitely you can see the way how they designed this bar right here. It definitely has like this high quality stainless steel bar right here. So that way you can definitely get like a pretty secure fit once you guys use the product. And basically the other one works the same way. So I'm just gonna show you guys what this one looks like right here. So definitely when you guys feel the fabric on here, it feels super nice. It definitely feels like a high quality fabric. But when you guys open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So you basically want to strap this around your leg. But when you guys feel material on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely has like this very soft material that's on here. And then right here, we do have the cable you have to plug in to actually activate it. So you can see this will actually looks like on the cable right here. So basically the way how you guys set it up, you guys want to put it onto your legs and then put this part through right here. And then once you guys put it through right here, you guys want to pull it as tight as you guys can. And just close it back up like that. And you guys can definitely activate the product and start using it. But definitely the way how they design this product here, not only can you guys use it on your legs, but you definitely use it on your feet and also on your arm as well. And basically the benefit of using the product here is not only to give you guys a really good massage, but also help with like blood circulation as well. So if you just came home from a long day of work, or if you just came back from a workout or whatever, definitely using this is actually really helpful. And also for the product, it does have like an auto shut off after 20 minutes of usage. So that's really cool safety feature that's on here. And I believe for this leg massager right here, it only works as a massager. It doesn't have the heat option on here. So if you guys are trying to look for a massager that has like the heat option, this is probably not the one for you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually go plug this in and actually test it out to show you guys how to use it and actually test out the product to see how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here at the product, let me actually set it up and plug it in to show you guys how to use it. So I'm plugging this cable right here first. And definitely for this cable right here is actually pretty long. So if you guys want to extend it pretty far, you can definitely do it on here. So I pull the cable away, you can definitely see how it's actually pretty long. But I basically want to plug this in right here first. And that will basically activate the product. And then basically for these two parts right here, you guys want to put it onto your leg. You guys want to make sure you guys put it in the correct leg. So this one is for left. So you basically want to wrap it around your legs. And then strap this part in. And you basically want to tighten it up. You don't want to make it too tight because it does have the air compression on here. Alright, so that should be good. You guys want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so now that we got that set up, you basically want to plug in the cable onto the actual remote. So when you guys plug in the cable, you guys want to make sure you guys plug in the right one. So the top one is to the right and the bottom one is left. And they do label it on the remote so that way you know. Alright, so we got it all plugged in. Let's test it out. So I'm pressing the power button right here. Alright, so immediately you can definitely feel the actual massager start working. So basically using mode number 1. If you guys want to change it to mode number 2, you guys want to press number 2. So now we're using mode number 2. And if you guys want to change the air pressure on here, you basically want to press on this button right here in the bottom. So this is level 2. And this is level 3. So definitely on level 1, I didn't really feel it too much. But when I actually turn it on level 3, I definitely feel a lot more of that air compression on here. So definitely when you guys use it on level 3 for the air compression, it actually feels really, really strong. You can definitely feel like someone is squeezing your leg. And definitely feel your blood circulating when you guys are actually using it. but definitely feels really nice when you guys are actually using the product. So basically what I'm feeling right now is like this part right here is squeezing, and then this part is squeezing as well, but not the whole entire thing. So basically changing like the different patterns on here to actually help you guys massage different part of your legs. And you can just leave this on while you guys are doing work. But this is basically how you guys do the product. You can see it definitely does work, and it works quite well. And it's so compact and portable, so you basically bring this with you guys almost anywhere. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely actually does work, and it works quite well. So definitely once you guys activate the product and put it onto your legs, you can definitely see it actually does work, and it feels really nice. It definitely gives you guys that really tight massage and also that air compression massage as well. So that way if you guys are tired or fatigued, or if you guys feel sore, definitely using this either on your arms, your feet, or even for your legs is actually really helpful. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality leg massager that's super compact and portable, where you guys can use it for either your legs, your feet, or even for your arm to help with fatigue, soreness, or just tiredness in general. Then I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.